Winnie Mandela was known to her supporters as the "Mother of the Nation." Born on September 26, 1936, in Bizana, a rural village in the Transkei district of South Africa, to a Xhosa royal family. A qualified social worker, she married anti-apartheid activist Nelson Mandela in Johannesburg in 1958, though he was imprisoned for much of their 4 decades of marriage. Winnie Mandela became president of the ANC Women's League in 1993, and the following year she was elected to parliament. Winnie Mandela embarked on a career of social work that led to her involvement in activism. After Nelson Mandela was imprisoned following the Rivonia trial, she became his public face. Winnie Mandela emerged as a leading opponent of apartheid during the latter part of her husband's imprisonment. Due to her political activities, she was regularly detained by the National Party government. She was subjected to house arrest, kept under surveillance, imprisoned, and banished to the remote town of Brandfort. The methods of torture used against her included, according to one account, denying her sanitary products so that she was found, in detention, covered in her own menstrual blood. She played an important role in the liberation struggle. Without the resilience and vision of Winnie Mandela, apartheid would not have been brought down. Activists could not have done it. Peaceful protest did not do it. Sports boycotts, books, badges and car boot sales did not do it. It took revolutionaries. Pure and simple. People willing to break the law, to kill and be killed. It took women such as Winnie Mandela. She was, as the world's media have had to be repeatedly reminded this week, not an activist, she was a leader in a liberation struggle. She survived, during more than 35 years of apartheid, surveillance, threats, harassment, arrest and imprisonment, 491 days in solitary confinement and 8 years in exile. A true African mother.